Hey, need a wrapping gifts today, or pouring milk in a glass, okay. The outside part we see and feel, that's the surface, smooth and real. But what about the space within, where water, juice, or grain can't fit in? That inner space we measure with care. The volume tells us how much is there. From balls to cones to boxes too. Math describes the shapes we use. Some shapes join together, sometimes shapes don't stand alone. They combine like parts of a cone, a dome on top of a round base below, or stack shapes in a tower's glow. To understand their outer skin, we study which surfaces can be seen. Hidden parts don't count the same, only exposed faces join the game. Piece by piece the surfaces blend, adding together until the end,
measuring the space inside.
Now think about the space they hold, like containers filled with silver or gold. Each solid stores its own amount, and when shapes combine we count. Add the space of every part, like building blocks of math and art. From pillars tall to storage tanks, volume helps with every plan. Engineers and builders know how much material shapes can show. Shape changes but volume stays. Imagine clay shaped like a cone, been rolled into a ball alone. Though the form has changed its face, the material keeps the same space. That means the volume stays the same, even if the shape's not the same. From cones to spheres the matter flows, but the total space still shows. Nature follows this rule so true, from raindrops forming in the blue.
The frustum's door
Slice the kip from a pointed cone, now a new shape stands alone. Wider base and smaller top, like a bucket ready to drop. The special form we often see in lampshades and containers, practically inside the skin wraps around the side, while the top and base give shape its guide. From buckets used in daily chores to giant cooling towers outdoors. Amazing geometry, nature. Didn't know that your love's a sphere. Round shapes appear both far and